NASA's Perseverance rover confirms presence of an ancient lake on Mars, and it may hold clues to past life. Evidence of ancient lake sediments at the base of Mars' Jezero crater offer new hope for finding traces of life in samples collected by NASA's Perseverance rover. 2021, inside the red planet's 28-mile-wide, 45 kilometers, Jezero crater, which is believed to have once hosted a large lake and river delta. The rover has been scouring the crater in search of signs of past life and collecting and caching dozens of samples along the way for a possible future return to Earth. From orbit, we can see a bunch of different deposits, but we can't tell for sure if what we're seeing is their original state, or if we're seeing the conclusion of a long geological story. David Page, first author of the study, RIMFAX's deputy principal investigator and UCLA professor, said in the statement, NASA's Curiosity rover has found evidence of water on ancient Mars with rippled textures and landslide debris in the foothills of Mount Sharp. Two distinct periods of deposition occurred, creating layers of sediments on the crater floor that appear regular and horizontal, much like strata layers seen on Earth. Fluctuations in the lake's water levels caused some of the sediment deposits to form an enormous delta, which Perseverance traversed between May and December 2022. The radar measurements also show an uneven crater floor below the delta, which is likely due to erosion before sediments were first deposited. After, as the lake dried up over time, the sediment layers in the crater were eroded, forming the geologic features visible on the Martian surface today. Unlike older Mars rovers, Perseverance and its Curiosity sibling rely on nuclear power. Essentially, a nuclear battery. Both rovers use energy generated by the decay of plutonium to charge onboard lithium batteries during dormancy.